Hi everyone, welcome back to our CSS for Beginners course. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful layout tools in CSS, the position property. Positioning allows you to control exactly where elements appear on your page. Understanding this concept is key if you want to build custom layouts, floaty buttons, tulips, and more. Let's start with position. Static. This is the default. Every HTML element is static unless you say otherwise. These elements appear in the normal flow and they don't respond to top, right, bottom, or left. Now let's look at position relative. When you make an element relative, you are telling the browser, this element stays where it normally would be, but it might move it a little. Absolute positioning removes the element from the document flow completely. That means it doesn't affect the layout of other elements around it. And finally, fixed positioning makes the element stay in place even when scrolling. It's great for things like sticky headers and floating menus. So, here we have 4 boxes showing each position. Apply style and scroll the page to observe how they behave. So now that we have the code, we're going to the HTML web page to see the results. And we have the boxes. They are so awesome. So now that we understand what is the position property, we can position every element wherever we want. In the next video, we are going to see what is the flexbox and why do we use it. So see you there.